Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G51 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using our contact list, so we can block a number which is currently saved, or we can enter it manually. And of course I'll show you both options. And let's begin with the contacts. So let me enter the dialer, let's go to your contacts, and here let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. As you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to block this number, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and let's tap on block. As you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon. What's more, we've got the information that the number is blocked, and it means that we won't receive any incoming calls and text messages, just like I said before. Of course, you can unblock the number the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers, but let's leave it like this. Let's leave it blocked. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back. And let me show you the second way to block a number which is not saved in your contacts. So here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recent or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers, which is in the general section. And as you can see, that's our blacklist. That's the number we just blocked from our contacts. And here, as I promised, we will be able to block a number without actually saving it on our contact. So simply tap on add a number, and as you can see here, you can manually enter the number you want to block and tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist, which means that again you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. And above, at the very top, we've got also the unknown option, and after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will be allowed to block calls from all unidentified callers, which is quite a cool option, of course, and you can turn it off the same way. If you want to unblock the numbers, nothing easier, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So actually this is it. This is how to block and unblock the numbers in your MOTOROLA Moto G51. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.